Are you someone who thinks you need big investments to build wealth? That only those with high salaries or special opportunities can make it big? Well, what if I told you that wealth doesn't have to start with a huge sum of money or a secret formula? In fact, the key to building wealth from scratch often lies in something much simpler: consistency. It's about taking small, smart steps every day, rather than waiting for the perfect moment to get started. In this video, I'm going to share with you 8 simple, proven ways to build wealth from zero. No huge investments, no luck required, just steady progress. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's dive in. 1. Wealth starts with consistency, not money. Building wealth doesn't need to begin with a fat bank account. In fact, wealth often grows quietly from simple, repetitive habits. What matters is not where you start, but how long you stay in the game. Many people hold back, thinking they need the perfect moment to start. The truth is, wealth often grows from consistency, not sudden wins. The best part? It doesn't require a high-paying job. Instead, what's important is simple actions, repeated over time. If you start now, even small changes can snowball. Building wealth isn't about how quickly you can get there, but how much effort you can put in consistently over the years. When you start building habits, no matter how small, they'll become your foundation for long-term wealth. Instead of feeling discouraged by others who seem to have it all, focus on your own progress. As long as you're moving forward, you're heading in the right direction. 2. Pay yourself first, even when it feels too small. Saving isn't something you do after spending. Wealth builders pay themselves first. That means you prioritize saving before anything else, even if it's just a small amount at the start. It doesn't matter how small your savings are, as long as they're consistent. Saving small amounts each month is more impactful than waiting for a windfall. And over time, these small actions grow into meaningful progress. So pay yourself first, automatically, and watch your savings build. When you pay yourself first, you're setting yourself up for financial independence and not depending on the whims of the market or external factors. It builds a habit of prioritizing your financial future before the distractions of daily spending. Even if you have a modest salary, this discipline allows your wealth to grow steadily. Over the years, you'll look back and realize that those small contributions made a big difference. 3. Leverage accounts that multiply your savings. One of the easiest ways to build wealth is to use accounts that let your money grow faster. Employer retirement plans are one example, especially if your employer matches contributions. That's like free money. Other tax-advantaged accounts, like IRAs or 401ks, also allow your money to grow without the usual yearly tax drag. Imagine saving just a little bit each month, but having it grow exponentially over time. It's one of the easiest wealth-building strategies. These accounts allow you to invest in a way that's both strategic and tax-efficient. Many people miss out on these opportunities simply because they don't take advantage of their employer's matching contributions. But when you do, you not only invest your own money, but also get your employer to help fund your retirement. Over the long term, this added boost can make a significant difference in how much wealth you accumulate. 4. Build wealth the boring, steady way. It's tempting to chase trends or jump on the latest investment hype, but that's a sure way to lose money. Wealth comes from steady, long-term growth. Invest regularly into diversified, low-cost funds and keep doing it. It's boring, but it works. Investing regularly means you don't have to time the market perfectly. You invest the same amount each month, no matter what. Over time, this strategy lowers stress and helps you avoid emotional decisions. Slow and steady wins the race. Consistency beats trying to time the market or chasing the next big trend. This strategy works because it removes the emotional highs and lows that come from reacting to market fluctuations. By investing regularly, you build a habit that works for you, no matter how the market performs. Even if the market dips, you're still contributing, and your investments will eventually recover. 5. Eliminate high-interest debt first. One of the biggest hurdles to building wealth is high-interest debt. It grows silently, draining your ability to save and invest. Paying off high-interest debt quickly gives you financial freedom and eliminates the pressure of monthly payments. When you focus on getting rid of debt, you free up cash that can be used to build wealth. Debt reduces your financial flexibility, while eliminating it opens the door to greater opportunities. High-interest debt often comes with compounding interest, which makes it grow faster than you can repay it. The longer you take to pay it off, the more money it costs you in the long run. By eliminating this debt early, you can put that money toward investments that will actually help you grow your wealth. The sooner you pay off your debt, the sooner you'll have the freedom to focus on your future. 6. Automate your savings and investments. Money management doesn't need to be a stressful task. Automation is a game changer. By setting up automatic transfers into your savings and investment accounts, you remove emotion from the equation. No more procrastinating or overthinking. Money goes into your accounts automatically, and you don't have to lift a finger. This creates consistency, which is key to wealth building. Even when you're busy, stressed, or distracted, your money keeps growing on autopilot. Automation is a key tool for overcoming financial inertia. When you set up automated savings, it becomes part of your routine, like paying bills or setting aside time for exercise. The beauty of automation is that it forces consistency without you having to think about it. No matter what happens, your money keeps working for you. 7. Protect what you build before you expand it. Wealth building isn't just about growing your money. It's also about protecting it. One unexpected emergency or setback can wipe out years of hard work. That's why protection is just as important as growth. Insurance, emergency funds, and legal protections are all ways to safeguard your wealth. When you protect your finances, you can focus on long-term goals without constant fear of losing everything. Building your wealth is important, but making sure it's protected from potential losses is crucial. Unexpected situations can happen at any time, so having a solid backup plan means you're ready for anything. A good insurance policy or an emergency fund acts as a cushion when things go wrong. Protection gives you the peace of mind to keep moving forward, knowing you can bounce back from setbacks. 8. Stay consistent even when progress feels slow. The most important secret to building wealth is this: stay consistent longer than most people are willing to. People often quit when progress feels slow or boring, but the real rewards come from years of steady work. At the beginning, especially during the first few years of wealth building, the growth can be nearly invisible. You may find yourself asking, is this really working? But if you stay the course, even when results are hard to see, your efforts will start to compound. And that's when the magic happens. What seemed small and insignificant will eventually build into something substantial. The foundation you're building now, no matter how small, is what will support the bigger wealth you'll accumulate in the future. Don't let impatience or doubt make you quit. Every small step you take today, every smart decision you make, adds up over time. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for instant gratification, but remember, wealth is a long game. Focus on the long-term vision and know that your consistent actions are building the future you want. Keep going, because every effort is moving you closer to your goals. There you have it, 8 simple, proven ways to build wealth from scratch, all without needing a high salary or big investments. It's about taking small, consistent actions over time, staying disciplined, and letting the power of compounding work in your favor. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built by staying in the game longer than most people are willing to. If you start applying even one of these strategies today, your financial future can look a lot brighter in the years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this with someone who could use some guidance on building wealth, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips to help you take control of your finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.